As I mentioned in the last video, pie charts are just another way to display this same relative frequency data. And so we can take this relative frequency data here and build a pie chart with it. And so again, we'll talk more about the specifics of how we build that, or kind of some design tips in a future video. But generally, all we're looking, again, this is much easier to do. Let's see, a third, just over a third. So this would be, the 36%. And that was Minnesota. And then we would put most common, we kind of build from one direction. And this is this was Wisconsin at 23.3% or something like that. This might be 0.6. And then the other two were split, Iowa and North Dakota. And probably we would use different shades of colors, and so I could have maybe done that. And shaded them in different colors to help indicate. And these were both 20%. Okay, and so again, nothing earth-shattering here. We'll look at how to do this in Excel. And so that's all just pulled directly from the relative frequency table. Again, you've seen pie charts many times, and so, but all the same data is contained in the pie chart as is in the bar chart. And so a lot of times it's, oftentimes what people do is they create both and say, okay, which one actually tells me that story better? And remember, as I told you, I'd harp on you again and again that a lot of what we're doing here is trying to tell the story of the variable, what's going on within it. And so sometimes that's best done through a table, and then sometimes we find these visualizations are more straightforward. So I'll come back with a video that shows how to do this in Excel, and that'll give us a better framework of with which to talk about specifics about not only design but some more specifics.